Hello guys! So today's vlog, it's about GoPro Hero 13. So we have already the GoPro Hero 13, and if you are thinking to buy the GoPro Hero 13 or if you have the Hero 13, I will show you the 4 new accessories that we have here available special for Hero 13. So without further ado, let's start now. First, you have here the magnetic latch ball joint mount. So yeah, especially for Hero 13, this is a new accessories. Yan. Again, 360 rotation. Yeah. I'll just put the description to make it fast. Second, we have the magnet latch mount. So we have the magnet latch mount. And a third one is the dual battery charger. It's a new battery charger it's written here for Hero 13 black. And the last one is the ND filter 4 pack. Or you have 4 filter, which is ND4, ND8, ND16, and ND32. So these are the new accessories special for Hero 13 GoPro. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. It's a quick vlog regarding the GoPro Hero 13. If you are here in Kuwait, or if you are in the Middle East, if you want to check the prices of this GoPro Hero 13 new accessories, you can visit us here in Megastore showroom AAB Symphony. Or if you want to check the prices in online, we have also in our website www.abworld.com. So it's a quick videos or vlog regarding the GoPro Hero 13 and accessories, the new accessories for the Hero 13. So, ayan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, we have also the GoPro Hero 13 creative combo. It's called, Creator for Edition. The GoPro Hero 13 Creator Edition and Single Edition. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you, and again, www.abworld.com. So, yan. Thank you.